Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope things are smooth and streamlined with you, and I also expect that you are utilizing this time very effectively for your studies and other businesses. As you know that we have just completed our the term examinations, and now from now we will resume our businesses as we have been. So if you remember it very well that we were in exercise 12.2 up to question number 6 we have done so far. Now today's video lecture we will do question number 7, and before that I suggest you please while watching the video keep the book with you so that you can have a clear idea about the question what we are supposed to find. So I will read the question. A chord of it is question number 7. Yes, a chord of circle radius 12 centimeters, subtendous angle of 120 at the center. Find the area of corresponding segment of a circle. It's a very good question. So let us draw a circle. This is your circle. So let AB is the chord. This chord AB subtends angle 120 at the center of circle. So we need to find, let us name it here P. We need to find area of corresponding segment, that is this APB corresponding chord. This is chord AB, it is corresponding segment is APB. So we in the previous video lectures we did 2-3 questions regarding this, how to find the area of a segment. It is very simple. So we can find area of a triangle OAB and area of sector OAPB. So from the area of sector OAPB we will subtract area of triangle and we will get the area of segment. So first of all, how to find the area of triangle, and you know this triangle AOP. So to find the area of triangle we will do one thing. We will draw a perpendicular AD on AB. Draw, we will write first, let AB is the chord of circle, be the chord of circle, be the chord of circle, chord of circle. AB is the chord of circle. Draw OD perpendicular on AB. What we did, we draw OD perpendicular on AB. So you know this triangle ODB, you can easily say that this, you can easily make these two triangles OD and ODB congruent. How? OA equals OB, radius of same circle, radius of same circle, OD equals OD common, and AD is equal to DB, because you know it perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. So you can easily, we are not required to make to write all the procedure how these triangles are congruent. You can do it of your own, but these triangles are congruent. We will simply write it triangle ODB is triangle ODA is congruent triangle to ODB. Triangle ODA is congruent triangle to ODB. How? We can easily, if someone among you is interested, you can easily say OA equals OB, OD equals OD common, AD equals DB. So by what? OA equals OB by side, OA equals OB by side. Triangle ODA is congruent triangle to ODB by SSS. So what happens when triangles are congruent? You know it that corresponding angles and corresponding sides are equal. So angle OAD equals angle AOD equals angle BOD. This whole angle was 120. So after making the triangle OAD congruent with OBD, it gets bisected, because this whole angle is 120. Sum of two angles is 120 and each of them is equal. So each of them will be 60. We will write angle AOD equals angle BOD equals 120 by 2, that is 60 degree. So this angle is 60, this angle is 60. Now actually what we are supposed to find, we are supposed to find, first of all, find the area of this triangle. Area of sector you can easily find OAPB, theta divided by 360 into pi r square. That is not an issue here. Problem is here that how to find the area of triangle. We are all doing these steps to find the area of a triangle. So you know the concept of heights and distances. We have read in the trigonometry section of this textbook. So in triangle ODB, in triangle ODA, we will use that concept. You remember that concept very well, that the side which we are supposed to find, keep this in the numerator, and the side which are given, keep this in the denominator. What we are doing here is to take the ratio of the sides, the ratio in such a way that the side which we are supposed to find, keep in the numerator, and the side which we have given, keep in the denominator. Here if you look, we need to find OD and AD. First of all, we will find AD. So OA is given. We will write AD divided by OA. Have a look. So if this angle is 61, I'm sorry here, first of all we have to mention it here. I'm sorry. So this angle is 60, this angle is 90. You know, this angle is 60, this is 90. We have drawn a perpendicular, OD on AB. So this will be 30 automatically by angle sum property. Therefore angle OAD equals 30 degree. Now we will write in triangle OAD, we are supposed to find this side AD and OD. First of all, we will find this AD. We will write AD divided by OA. Look, with respect to this angle, remember the trigonometry, very first lecture of the trigonometry. With respect to this angle, this is base, and this is the hypotenuse. Base over hypotenuse. This is which ratio? It is cos. How many degrees? Cos 30 degrees. So AD you are supposed to find, and OA is 12. This equals cos 30. So how to know the value of a cos 30? You know it, that we have made the triangle. This is 30, this is 60, 1, 2, root 3. Cos 30 is base over hypotenuse, root 3 by 2. This is root 3 divided by 2. So AD equals, simple AD equals, this is 12 root 3 divided by 2. 2 1 is 2, 6. This is 6 root 3 meter. So we have found the side AD. We have found the side AD. Now, you know in your previous class that perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. OD is perpendicular on AB. So it means if OD is perpendicular on AB, it will bisect AB. That means AD equals DB by that concept. So therefore we will write, AD equals DB equals AD equal, I'm sorry here, but AD equals DB. Why? Because you know perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. Perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. So that means if AD is 6 root 3, DB is 6 root 3, how much is AB? It will be 12 root 3, because both are equal. Sum of two sides, each side is 6 root 3, and both are equal, so whole side will be 12 root 3. So we will move further. Before that, you pause the video to note it down, because we have here the unavailability of the space. I'm sorry for that. So we will write here, therefore AB equals 6 root 3 plus 6 root 3. Why? Because AD equals DB. AD plus DB is AB. both are equal, so it will be 12 root 3 meter. So we have found the AB, actually base. Now we will found AD. We will find AD, OD. Again in triangle, let us set up this. Again in triangle ODA. In triangle ODA, we will find OD. We will write OD divided by OA. With respect to this angle, this is perpendicular, side opposite to the angle. Perpendicular over hypotenuse, it is sine 30 degree. You know it very well. We have discussed it in detail in the trigonometric section. So OD you don't know. OA is 12, sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So OD equals, this is 12 by 2, that is 6 meter. 6 centimeter, sorry. This is centimeter, I am sorry. Now you have found the base. Area of triangle equals base into corresponding altitude. Corresponding means we have taken that side, the base on which perpendicular is drawn. So we will write area of triangle OAB. It is 1 by 2 base into corresponding altitude. Base is AB. Corresponding altitude is OD. Corresponding means we have taken the altitude of that, we have taken the base. We have to take the base on which altitude is drawn. So it is 1 by 2. AB is, we have find it. It is 12 root 3 into OD is what? OD is 6. So it is 2 ones, 2 sixes. It is 6 into 6, 36 into root 3 centimeter. So we have found the area of triangle OAB. Now we will find the area of sector OAPB. It is very simple. Theta divided by 360 into pi r square, and from that we will subtract area of triangle. We will get the area of corresponding segment. So before that, you pause the video to note it down. But remember that area of triangle is 36 root 3. I am sorry, I have the unavailability of the space here. So now area of sector OAPB. This is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Theta is here 120 because sector angle is 120, whole angle. It is the angle which the chord makes at the center of a circle. It is 120. Theta divided by 360 into pi, you have to take here 22 by 7. R is 12 into 12. So let's make the sum cancellation here. It is 0 and 0, 12 ones, 12 threes, 3 ones, 3 fours. So it is 4 into 12 into 22. 4 into 12 into 22 divided by 7. I don't have here the calculator. So let's make the calculation here. It is 48 into 22 divided by 7 square centimeter. This is area of this sector OAPB. Now area of, I don't have the calculator. It is I recommend you please do the proper calculation here and see what the result comes out. And I here keep it as it is because I don't have here the calculator available right now. Area of segment APB. This is equal, we will subtract area of sector OAPB. It is area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. Area of sector, you know, we have just found it, 48 into 22 divided by 7 minus area of triangle OAB. It is 36 into root 3. So just to make the calculation here, you can just make the calculation here, give the root 3 value and etc. This is very bit of simple here. From here you can easily find the area of corresponding segment. I could have done it here because, but I am sorry, I don't have the calculator available right now. I expect that you can do it calculation. It is left as home assignment for you, and mention it to the comment box what the exact answer of this question is. I hope you will enjoy this class. If you still have any question or doubt, please let me know. Thank you, class.